Let's get scroll sawing. This project's going to be quite big, so I'm just going to skip through some of the scroll sawing.
Out in stormy weather, but nothing ever stopped me. Falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain stopped sitting down.
So as you can see, it's quite a large piece. So what I'm going to do now is, first of all, I'm going to cut it in half by taking the head off. And then that way, it's going to be easier for me to work with. I've got all the pieces cut out. I haven't cut all the really tiny pieces off yet. I'm going to wait and do that as I'm putting it together so that I don't lose any of them. But what I'm going to start doing, shaping with the hat. And I'm going to use the 240 sandpaper on that. Taking all the edges off, shaping all the details in, and then afterwards I'll cut the eyes out and I'll start doing some details with the Dremels on that. So to start with, I'm going to be taking off all the masking tape that I've put on. Today's project is going to take me down some new routes. I'm going to be trying out some new finishes. Using my small crafting chisel here, I'm just going to add some small details. And using the 220 grit sandpaper, taking off the edges and removing the fluffy bits. This sanding took forever. It's the biggest piece I've done yet. Hopefully this is just going to give some character to the project. I just duplicated some of the pieces to give more depth to the finished piece. Using wood glue and CA glue, I'm going to clamp these pieces together and leave them to one side to dry. As I said before, I'm going to try some different finishes. So I'm using the Dremel, hoping to give the towel some detail. And again here, I've given the face much more defined lines. Now that most of the pieces have all been shaped, I'm going to go over them again with the 220 grit sandpaper, just to take off any of the roughness. Turns out that grey primer that I used was not the best thing. Another lesson learnt. So if any of you have any advice or recommendations, please leave it in the comments below. So having sanded down the primer, I'm now going to start the first coats of paint. This acrylic's been watered down to 2 parts paint, 1 part water. Really trying to improve my brushwork and hopefully get a better finish here. So as you can see here, I've got the backing board and I'm just going to place the bits that are dry to the picture just to see what it looks like. I mean, some of the whites had about 5 coats now. That spray I used really wasn't good. It's left a green tinge at the back and it's been really hard to cover. And I think that's it for now, for a minute. Gonna let it all dry properly. I've got to do a couple more coats on this, on the face bit. Paint his nose black, colour in the mouth and the tongue, and then we'll be back. Oh, you... Making sure all the parts are placed correctly, and then I'll start gluing. Right, so I've been up the house. I've got one of my little crafting boxes and I'm going to look for a button. Now, what do you reckon? Haven't got any green on there, have we? I might go for the green one. Just waiting for the eyes to dry now. And I can put those 2 bits back in here. And then just going around the edges and tidying it up. You might have noticed the scroll saw is now tied down. End of this scroll saw. And we've got a new one coming at the end of next week, hopefully, that we found on Marketplace. You may have even noticed here that I've changed the colour of the eyes after all the problems that I had with them. And I must admit, I've really enjoyed making this one. And if you've enjoyed watching it, maybe you'd like to look at another video in the top left corner.